Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be covering how to fill up your Excel sheet to begin your business on Amazon. The first list that you send to your engagement manager needs to include enough data so that we can start the process of ingesting them on the system and getting your products live. This video will show you how to fill up the Excel sheet with all the appropriate details. To start with, please log into your Seller Central account. On the extreme right hand corner, please go to the Inventory tab, under which you will be going to the fourth option, which is Add Products via Upload. On this page, you would see something called as Download Template. Please click on that. And in the dialog box that opens up, please scroll down to the box that says Flat File Template. Now, based on the category that you're listing your products under, please choose the appropriate file. Now, in this video, we will be using the Home and Kitchen Other file. And we will be talking in detail on how to fill up the Home and Kitchen Other file with all the appropriate details. Please click on the particular category that you want to start listing your products under and download them. So the Excel sheet that opens up will open up with the first page, which is the instructions page. The first thing that you will have to do before starting to fill the file is enable the macros in this file. These files have inbuilt macro, which will enable you to pre-fill data that is already there in this file. For this, as you can see on the top, there is a security warning with the caption that macros have been disabled. Please click on Enable Content. File will be ready to use. Once your file is ready, please go to the Data Definitions tab on this file and do a filter. So this will make your work easier as you will have fewer fields to fill up, and it will also make sure that you fill up all the required fields. So under the Home and Kitchen template, there are around 11 fields that are important and has to be mandatory filled so that your products can go through easily. So these are product SKU, external product ID, ID type, item name, brand name, manufacturer, part number, product feed type, standard price, quantity, and main image URL. So before starting to fill the sheet, I would suggest please go to the Amazon.in web page and do a basic search on the kind of product that you are planning to sell. So this will give you a fairly rough idea on what criteria are required and how the products will look like on the main sheet. For example, I would show you this page, which is the Prestige Induction Based Non-Stick Kitchen Set. Now, if my product is similar to this one, I can take this as an example and fill up the sheet. So all the fields that are marked in bold are required fields and you will have to fill them up without fail. But this video will also show you other important details required from the customer's perspective so the customer can make an informed decision, and it's also easier for them to search your product on Amazon. So the SKU can be any alphanumerical code which is unique from all the products that you're selling. So we can give this as P1. The product ID and product ID type are nothing but EAN and UPC number. These numbers are found near the barcode of the product, and if it is a 13-digit number, it is a EAN number, and if it is a 12-digit number, then it is a UPC number. So based on that, this particular product is a UPC number. The product ID that I would select is UPC. Now please make sure your title is in such a way that the customer, when looking at it, has enough information to make an informed decision. Please start it with a brand name. Please start it with a brand name. In this case, this is a Prestige product that we are looking at. So the brand name will be Prestige. This is a tawa set. So please mention enough information, including the material. And if it has multiple pieces, mention the number of pieces and the size. Next would be the brand name, the manufacturer, manufacturer part number, product type. Now if you enable the macro, these are pre-filled data that you will be able to find. These are kitchen products, so you will select the option kitchen. The description that you give here will be visible on Amazon. Please give the model number if you have this data, and the standard price. So this will be the final price that will be visible for the customer to buy. Quantity is the stock that you currently have. And condition type, please make sure that you select the option new. All you have to do is select the options. There are the columns from AI which will help customer with the size details. So if you have the dimension of the product, please mention them and select the unit of measure. So after mentioning the size details, please go to the column AW, which is the recommended browse nodes. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these are not mandatory fields mentioned under the data definitions tab, but these are required from the customer's perspective so that they can search your products and make informed decision to buy. So under recommended browse nodes, you will have to give in the nodes under which your products fall under. These are Tawa products. The customer can directly go to the Tawa category under Amazon, then search your products easily. So how will you find the recommended browse node? You will have to go back to your account and click on download template. Under this, go to the bottom of the dialog box. There is something called as browse tree guides. Click on the particular link given here and go to the home and kitchen other. This will give you a file which will give you all the categories currently available on Amazon, and you can choose the particular node your products will fall under. So once the sheet is downloaded, put a filter on the sheet, and through the search option, please search for the category of your product. These will come under small kitchen appliances, cooktops. So please just copy this root node and paste it here under recommended browse node. Under search terms, you can also give in what particular tags that you want to associate with this particular product. As you can see, after the title, the price, there are bullet points here which gives a summary of what the product is and enough information for the customers to know what the product is about. So the bullet points that you give here will be visible on the main display page. So usually, please mention the material, the color, the size, and what is in the box. So usually, these are the 4 required fields, which is the material, color, the size, and package contents, and these details are always available with you, so please make sure that you mention them. Apart from that, there is a 5th bullet point, which are usually care instructions if there are any. Next detail that you'll have to fill in is the main image URL. This is nothing but the main image location that you can give, so the system can add the image from the URL provided. So if your product is there on your own website, all you will have to do is click on the image right mouse button and select the option copy image URL and paste it under the image URL option. Please make sure that the link that you have pasted is always ending with .jpg. Some of the other information that you can give are the same detail that you gave under the bullet point, the material, color, size, package contents. The same can be filled up here under color name, the size, and enclosure type material. Now, I was also saying earlier about different examples under the product type, which will come under home and kitchen. So if you're listing a product under bed and bath, these will include pillow sets, bedding sets, and other bath products. If you're listing products under furniture and decor, these will include paintings, posters, decor items, which will include everything from figurines to idols, to include furniture accessories. Next, we have lights and fixtures. These are nothing but lampshades, every lighting products. Please note that if you're mentioning lighting products, under bullet points, you also mention the wattage, and even in the title, please mention the wattage. Then we have home improvement products, and also lawn